Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. First thing I want you to do is just launch your PayPal app, and then here you just tap on your PayPal balance, right, from your home page, and you get this option to click on. This is transfer. You click on transfer, and it'll give you two options: transfer money, either transfer to bank or you can transfer internationally. So choose transfer to bank. And then after you choose transfer to bank, you just need to choose which option you want. So you either do instant, this one is sent typically in minutes, and there's the standard one sent in 1 to 2 business days. And you just go ahead and select your bank account that you want to transfer to. If you haven't added one already, come here at the top, right click on the plus icon, add your bank account details, choose your bank account you want to send to, tap on next, then just enter the amount, tap on next, and send, right? Really that easy. Found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.